So in the taxi, we are in luxury right now. Hello. Oh, look at this! Look at this guy. It's so comfortable.
So much legroom.
Got the Voss water, just San Pellegrino. With Serve and Raven in the back. Looking very cozy.
I'm hydrated.
Kishi in the front. Actual legroom. Actually, I'm so happy right now.
He's been squished every single time.
I've been squished in every car we've gone in.
Yeah,
It's
and
not
I've
been fun.
Been squished in turn.
I'm used to being in
Thank you, Kishi, bro.
I saw the Lux, so I was like, I'm getting the Lux.
Lux was the play.
Oh yeah, Kishi, that's the mall. The one that we just passed out.
IFC right there.
That's IFC.
Oh yeah.
This right here.
Yeah, the one with the Apple logo.
Yep.
There's an Apple store underneath.
Prada. There you go. There's your answer right there. Prada. Right?
And then you can get in for that entrance as well. They've got like Prada, Gucci,
Very high-end
Valentino,
place.
Hermes.
This is where we were the other day.
Can we go there after?
Quick stroll through to digest, and then we go head off and do some more stuff.
What do you guys have planned there?
We're in. We managed it. We somehow got lost going into the. We were briefly lost, Raven. You can't tell me we weren't briefly lost. The taxi pulls up, and then we're just not sure where the hell we're going. We managed to find it. We're now going into this shops and restaurants area within this place. We're not really sure what we're looking for, to be honest with you. I don't know what.
I'm good with directions.
We just need food. That's the idea. Leah's gonna be coming to join us in a little bit. Should be fun. We're gonna actually have someone who speaks. Yeah, I think so. We're gonna have someone who speaks Chinese. Make things much easier. So, we went over to the restaurant that was supposedly recommended, and it's closed. In China, they have a sort of siesta thing like they do in Spain, where things close between around 3 and 5 or something, like a few hours. So we are now a bit stumped. We don't really know what we're gonna do for food, so we're gonna figure it out. Leah is supposed to be meeting us here in a little bit, so I'm not really sure what's going on, but we'll see. There we go, we finally made it.
Everybody shares.
Leah's come to join us. We finally made it to the restaurant. Yeah.
So, do you the roast duck?
With caviar.
So it's back.
Do you the...
Wow.
The beef tender.
Don't say that too loudly, okay?
No.
Which I feel like
It's not
There we
very
go.
if it's
Do you need some veggies?
we
Ready?
do need some veggies.
Cucumber or sesame oil?
We have mushroom with truffle and fennel.
I saw that
You're
one.
the focal point
sounds really
right now.
I'm not a fan of mushrooms, so that's all you guys.
Let's see what we're gonna have.
Don't put me happy.
Food? I do like
Mushroom
mushrooms.
with truffle and fennel.
Oh, that
Do you
just
want
sounds
that
quite
as a
nice.
side?
I think I'll have to have a look through the menu myself.
Mushrooms again.
I do like mushrooms, but I'm not. I mean, just because I ate a mushroom without it being cooked doesn't mean I'm the mushroom guy.
I might have to after this.
No. Hey, put that shit back in and drink it.
Nah.
Did you
Is
sip
this
it?
sugar?
I'm about to.
Yeah, Raymond, this is
Sugar?
sugar.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sugar. Very pretty sugar.
Can I put that sugar in my milk?
Very pretty.
Yeah.
That close.
Salt and sweet and salt.
Well balanced.
你好，美女，问一下，这边需要刀叉吗？
不用。
不用。
Oh, that's weird.
That was a sweet tomato. What the hell did I just eat? The orange one.
Yeah.
Ordered a beer. Actually, a pretty nice beer. Apparently, this is strong, but it's only 4%.
Wushu is called.
Wushu.
4% excellent.
好吃. Wait, actually, how do you say something's tasty as a drink?
好喝.
好喝. Okay, so 好喝 and 好吃.
Yeah.
Ah, 好喝. Hear
It's
that?
like
Learning Chinese.
something. Drink is not like.
Yeah.
Sure is like heat.
I'm good.
你喝啤酒吗? Oh, yeah. Coming up with my own Chinese. Yeah.
Creamer, though. That's why I'm afraid.
Yeah.
Why you learn all the Chinese with beer and cigarette?
Beer and cigarettes. That's all you need, boys.
That's what they want you from us.
The con-
Oh, some good food we just had. You enjoy that, Leah?
Where's store?
Yeah.
Final destination.
Some good food. Very tasty.
Very tasty.
We demolished most of it, but I don't know what we're gonna do now. We're deciding. What are we doing now, Leah?
Shopping?
Shopping. What are we doing?
We're doing. Just walk around.
What are we doing?
We're doing.
Shopping.
Oh, and she actually puts
Anime road, I think maybe.
I don't know.
Hip hop shopping.
I can take you guys to that road, but I don't know if that one is the
I'm sure we'll figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. We'll probably. Well, we'll see.
拿这个担子到。
Oh, takes a long time to get here, but we're finally here. This enormous anime shop. Look at this stuff. Damn!
I'm trying not to think about how many statues are out here.
There's a lot of stuff, isn't there?
I don't even buy statues.
There are so many floors to this place. It's crazy. There's literally everything you could possibly imagine here for anime. Literally everything.
anime and manga.
Yeah. Insane. I don't know if I really want to buy anything though. I don't know what I would want to buy. Because at the same time, I can't really buy that much stuff to take with me in the plane, you know? It has to all fit in my suitcase. What am I supposed to do? Can't really take everything. The one thing that I think I might buy is like a really cool like medium-sized figurine of like Vegito or some shit. Not Vegito, Gogeta or something. Maybe some Dragon Ball stuff, or I don't know. We'll see. This is looking pretty sussy over here. I know you guys want it, but I'm not gonna feed your sussiness. This is like a little bit more common for you, no? Like back where I'm from and in the US, this is like very different. You wouldn't find this sort of stuff back there. So that's what makes it kind of interesting.
You don't have a place like that in
No. Well, maybe some place, but it's like nothing this big. Like you maybe find a couple shops like this, but small, you know. Nothing on this scale. Like this is crazy. Like the amount of stuff here is insane. Like you could maybe only find something like this in like a convention, like an anime convention that happens like once a year or something. But because I think we've lost everyone. I don't know where they've gone. Have you watched anything recently? Any anime recently?
No.
No. This one?
And Violet.
Oh, Arcane, you mean?
Okay.
Yeah. Arcane's good. Who's your favorite character in Arcane? Who do you like most in Arcane?
Jinx.
You like Jinx?
Yeah.
Jinx or Powder?
Jinx.
Jinx. Yeah, Jinx is good. Oh. I found the vent. Oh.
Happy now?
I'm happy now. Very happy. It's hot in here. I'm wearing a fucking blazer, jeans, and this pink shirt. Much better.
Harry Potter! Hey!
Oh, Harry Potter!
Where's Hagrid?
Where's
Hagrid?
I'm right here. Sedge. No Hagrid.
No Hagrid.
Where's Hagrid?
Hagrid's here.
Leah's hooking me up. She's hooked me up with the. Look at this chat. Look what we're getting. The Gogeta Blue. The display one.
没有听过的只能买样品。哎呦，太可怜了。
Good job. Good job. Good job. He egged me on to do it.
I'm number
I wasn't
one.
sure if it'd be a good idea taking home in a suitcase.
Bad decisions make great stories.
True.
Well, it means they only have one. The whole shop, the whole store, the whole building.
The only one. The whole building.
Only one.
You're welcome.
All right. Sadly, we can't spend too much time here, so we're gonna go to the Bund, the Christmas market, which should be nice. Definitely walk around outside. Won't be packed in like sardines. It's not that busy on this floor, but on the floors below. Yeah. Over there. Should be nice. Should be fresh. See you in a bit. Exactly. So, something that Leah just did. I was wandering around in the anime store and I thought, you know what, I gotta buy this. It's the only place I'm ever gonna find it. I can't buy it in the UK. So, but they only had one, and it was the display model. And then Leah's like, we're gonna get it, okay. They take it down and Leah's just sort of at the desk talking, because obviously I don't speak Chinese. And then she notices there are little scratches on it or something, and something's loose. And they try and sell it to us full price.
Yeah.
She's like, hell no, hell no, fuck, no way, what is that? Half price. Half price.
How dare you?
She's haggling with them like 5-10 minutes.
She went full Asian mom.
She's it's out of principle. Out of principle.
That's an Asian mom.
Becky was just standing there. Leah was just acting like a mom.
What do you mean?
Ducky
Well, yeah.
was pacing back and forth.
And she got it down. Wait, what did they want? 300 down to 220.
That's funny.
We would. She said that she would have gotten more off if we'd had more time, but we had to go out and do stuff. What was it that you said? You said, how are you gonna let these foreigners? What impression of China are you gonna leave them with if you don't do this?
That's really bad.
What's bad?
I mean, it's sell us a display things, and it's not a new one.
Yeah.
And you don't have a box as well.
Exactly. There was no box. I've got it in a bag right here, but it is pretty cool. I'm very happy with it.
Aren't you glad I convinced you?
Yes, I am. It was worth it. Well, thank you, Leah.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
It's just 80
Still worth it for the principle. Okay, now we're going to the Bund Christmas market.
Yeah, exactly.